Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday where I will be unboxing packages from the previous week, and we have some big ones. So anyways, really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and we upload mail hauls every Monday. And then also make sure to hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But yeah, also if I look kind of sweaty, I was trying to take some selfies and that's some hard work. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the packages. Okay, so the first package that we have is something that I already opened. I was too excited. Don't hate me, but I just had to do it. And this is from Makeup Forever. They came out with these new artist color pencils, and these things are really awesome. They have 39 shades, and they're for the eyes, lips, brows, and face. And they sit over the cutest bag, and it has my name on it, and it has like the little Makeup Forever symbol. And I'll tell you guys, I have a lot of their bags like in my pro kit. They're mesh bags. They're really awesome, very durable. They really hold up. But yeah, here's what the packaging looks like, and whoop. So they sit over a bunch of different shades, and you know what? I'm so excited about these. Let's freaking swatch them all. I love when we do mail hauls and I actually get to swatch stuff. So again, these can be used on the eyes, lips, face. Am I missing anywhere? Brows. So let's jump in. I am going to do a video and actually try these like on the face. So the first one that we have is the shade All Around White 104. And the packaging detail on this is just absolutely stunning. Let me show you with a brighter one. So whatever the color is, they have it on each side, and they also have a little stripe down the center. Look how cute that is. I just love it. It's like an old school pencil. Okay, so yeah, this one is All Around White, and they are very creamy. Here is All Around White. The next couple shades we have are going to be more probably for brows. This one is a really nice nude, and this is called Boundless Bisque. And that is like a really pretty nude. That would be really good in your waterline. Next we have Infinite Sand. And don't worry, there are colored ones. These are just like the more nude shades. That one would probably be my favorite for waterline. Then we have Wherever Walnut. This is like a more mauve-y shade. This would be a beautiful lip liner. And again, that is Wherever Walnut. I love this case. It's so velvety. And then we have Anywhere Caffeine. This looks almost like the one before it, but it has more of a brown tone. Anywhere Caffeine. Okay, we have Endless CACAO. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce that. Ooh, this is like a really pretty, almost. Remember that shade that was really popular at MAC a couple years ago for a lipstick? That's what it reminds me of. Then we have Limitless Brown. These are beautiful brow shades. I would probably go with this one for my brow shade. And then again, that's Limitless Brown. Then we are getting into the colors. So the first one we have is Free Burgundy. I just love these. They're so cute. Ooh, yes, this is a beautiful shade. That would be really nice on the lips, especially with fall lipsticks. Next we have Any Tangerine. It's a really pretty orange shade. Ooh, and it is fierce. Look at that. Any Tangerine. Now this is a color I feel like I'm going to love. Yeah, the printer messed up because it printed on top of like the writing. So again, this is Lava and So On. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Okay, so again, Lava and So On. So far, that's my favorite. Such a pretty pink shade. And I guess I was blind. Like, I couldn't really see it last night, and I thought that it was more red. This one is Full Red. There's Full Red. Ooh, these are so gorgeous. I am so obsessed. Then we have No Boundaries Blush. This is a really pretty baby pink shade. No Boundaries Blush. Okay, then we have the one I pulled out earlier. This is Fuchsia Etc. Ooh, so gorgeous. I love that they sent over quite a few pinks too, because I feel like I will really use those, especially for liners. Then we have some really fun shades. This one is Worldly Mauve, and it looks like a taupey purple. Yes, it's like a lavender. There's that. Next, we have a Blue Anyway. Beautiful cobalt blue. We have Unlimited Blue, which is another favorite. Look how gorgeous that blue shade is. It's so fun, so pretty and springy. I definitely want to do a look like around this pencil. Then we have Total Midnight, which is like a gray, almost blue shade. We have All Over Gray. I'm going to swatch this to the left side of the blue. All Over Gray right there. And then last but not least, we have Whatever Black. Yes, very creamy black pencil. So these feel amazing. I cannot wait to test them out. Again, I'm going to put these in a video. I'll do them on the brows, the lips, the liner, everything. So here are all those shades swatched. And I believe they are available now. I'll leave a link down below for them. But again, there are 39 shades. So many. And thank you so much to Makeup Forever for the liners. And then also for this super cute case that has my name on it. I'm so excited about it. Thank you. I don't even want to wash these off. Okay, next package came from Poke PR and Allies of Skin. I'm very excited to open this. I love their I can't remember how you pronounce it. It starts with the M and it's a spray. Where are my scissors? They have a spray that I love. All right, so here's kind of what the inside looks like. We got some tissue paper. You know what's so funny? The spray that I was telling you guys I really like, that's actually what this product's called. The Micellar. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Multi-nutrient day cream. Ooh. So it says a supercharged day moisturizer that firms and revives stressed out skin with 8 hydrants, 10 antioxidants, and 12.5 nutrient complex. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so it says attain the effects of a good night's sleep with this multitasking day cream. It's formulated with a powerful blend of antioxidants, hydrators, fermented cell cultures, and anti-inflammatories that work all day to revive your tired complexion, reduce imperfections, and protect compromised skin. I really like that it's in like this, I don't know, like olivey green packaging. And it says, think of it as your day multi-nutrient supplement for your skin. Ooh, I'm excited to try this out. And then it also comes with like a little pump like this. I also have some of their masks that you can actually use as a cleanser, and I love those too. And then they also sent over this super cute bag, and it says, oh, Allies. I'm like blind, you guys. I swear I can't see without my glasses. So here's what it looks like, and thank you so much to Poke PR and Allies of Skin for that package. I'm excited to use this. This is going to go up front so I can put it in my skincare drawer. I fell over and knocked stuff over the whole morning, and it's only 10:30. What do we have next? Okay, this package literally just showed up at my door, and I'm like, what are you? And it says it's from Maybelline, and here's what it looks like. Thank goodness I went out there because the mailman decided to set everything out on the side porch where it's like hot and like sunny. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this stuff could have melted. Oh my gosh, you guys. There is all kind of stuff in here. Ah! Okay, so first thing we have is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Oh my gosh, this brings back so many memories because I remember my mom used to use this like religiously whenever I was a kid. Whew, we have the Maybelline Sensational Curvitude Mascara. Oh, I wish I would have opened this before I did my first impressions this morning. We have a Lasting Drama Eye Pencil. We have a Master Prestige Ink Pencil or liner. So many goodies. We have the Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Again, I've heard a lot of great things about this. We have some more Lash Drama eyeliners. Ooh, the City Mini Palette. This looks really pretty. And I was actually telling you guys last night on Snapchat, I got a really big package from Revlon, which you guys will see, and Covergirl and a couple other ones. And I want to do another full face first impressions using affordable makeup, so I'm excited about this. This is the Total Temptations, and this one is, it says a brownish black, so I'm like, why is it a different one? And then we have the Total Temptations brow pencil, which I know I love because I've used it before. And then they sent over lots of lip goodies. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to try this. This Vivid Matte Liquid looks really good. Let's try that on right now. You guys know how I roll. I like to try stuff on when I open it. Oh yeah, I like that. I actually wish I would have had that for today's video. This is like a perfect nude. Yes, this is Nude Thrill. Oh my gosh, it smells so good too. And then we have the Master Fix face powder. We have some other lipsticks. Oh my goodness, thank y'all so much. Master Prime Base, and this is for redness, which I need. Some more mascaras and liners. And then we have another City Mini. This one looks really gorgeous too. And then a couple more lippies and another eyeliner. So thank you so much to the Maybelline team for this package. I cannot wait to try these out. Next package came from CoverFX, and let's see what they sent over. It says all set alcohol-free setting sprays to lock in your look. Ooh. So I didn't spray setting spray on, so let's try this out. This is the CoverFX. This is the high performance setting spray. Let's try it. Ooh, it comes in this nice packaging. It's not like a heavy mist, so I feel like you have to like spray a little bit more on. It smells good. So these come out, CoverFX are already out, and they come out May 8th, Sephora.com, and May 18th, Sephora in stores. So they have a dewy one, a mattifying, and an illuminating, and a 24-hour wear one. And these are $31. And then I have the dewy and the high performance. So we'll see how long it lasts with the spray. And thank you so much to CoverFX. They've been coming out with a lot of stuff recently, and I am all about it. Look at this glow. Oh my gosh. I'm like already sweaty because I put so many products for a glow today. Like, whoo! If you like this look, it's coming to a YouTube near you. Okay, here is this freaking crazy package Revlon sent over. Oh my gosh, thank y'all so much. And it's so crazy because I opened it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so crazy. And I was trying to open one of the palettes, and so I went to lift up the foam. There was another layer. Didn't even know it. So when you open it up, it says live boldly. Please let me be able to show this to you guys without it falling out. Do you see this? The struggle's real right now, me trying to hold this up. So we have these Insta Filter foundations. Don't you worry, I'm gonna be doing a video with them. They look pretty cool. They have like a little hole in the middle and it has like a little cushion. So I think you just twist it, and then this is actually like what you rub it on with, which I feel like might could get unsanitary. I don't know, we'll have to try it out. But this is a photo ready instant filter. There's what it looks like. And I was trying to open this Sunlight Dream last night, and I swear to you, I thought that I was gonna crack my finger. Oh, now it opens. So this is a highlighting palette. Ooh, these actually look really nice. There are those. Here are those swatched. I just like did like really small swatches. And then we have some prep set, and then we also have this photo ready. Oh my gosh, I could not get any of this packaging out. This is a photo ready color correcting pen. I'm gonna just like try this out on the hand really quick and just see what it looks like. This has me really intrigued. Ooh, so it's pretty pigmented. It looks like it would actually blend out really nicely into the skin. So they have that one in like the green shade, and then they also have like a lavender and a pink. So I'm putting those to the side, testing those out for y'all. They feel really nice. I mean, I'm glad to see drugstore come out with actual pens so we don't have to like, you know, sell our soul to go get the YSL ones. And then underneath, if I can figure out how to put this layer down, underneath we had a whole nother layer. I mean, look at that. Y'all, I cannot believe they sent all this over. We have some nail polishes. We got some liquid liners, which look nice. We got some brow mousse, which I don't even know what that is, but I've never used a brow mousse before. We have some lip creams, which all the lip creams are like nudie and pink shades. Oh my gosh, my hair looks gross. I don't know why. Like, I literally washed it on Thursday and it was Saturday. Okay, so there's that. And then they sent over some shadow palettes and stuff, some brows. So let me know right now. Pause the video if you want to see a first impressions trying out drugstore makeup affordable products. Let me know down below. Like, tell me right now. Okay, let's put this up. Oh goodness. Oh. I swear my luck today, I've been dropping everything. Y'all, I don't know if this one's gonna make it up. Okay, so speaking of drugstore, Covergirl sent over this huge package. So this is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I want to do a wear test with this. It doesn't release until June, I think. Look how crazy this is. So they, oh my gosh, I swear. Okay, now you can see how dirty my desk is. So they have this like mirror, and it has like swatches of all the shades. Is that not cool? 50 shades. No, wait. 40 shades. It comes in 40 shades. So I think that's great. I love the little campaign that they have on here. It says, because we listened, Covergirl is set out to create a foundation that works for all skin types. So we listened to you and we're inspired to create the True Blend Matte. It says, inclusive of all skin needs, True Blend Matte minimizes pores, controls shine, feels comfortable in your skin, stays put for 12 hours. Girl, I am shiny. I mean, I'm like so shiny right now. Okay, sorry. I had to do this. I was like, today, I'm like, I want to be so dewy. In the tutorial I did, whew, I achieved it. I look like I just jumped out the pool. 40 shades, designed with you in mind. Easy navigation with 4 shade ranges, so numbered from light to deep. It says L for light, M for medium, T for tan, D for deep. Pretty self-explanatory. Cool, warm, and neutral tones call out to help you find your perfect match. And then it says it's oil-free, so you don't get shiny. Living your life. Yes, Covergirl. Transfer resistant, aka won't rub off on your favorite white tee. Pore minimizing for smooth, even, selfie-ready skin. All day comfort wear, so you can put it on and not worry about your skin feeling cakey or dry. So that's interesting. I'm probably going to do a wear test tomorrow. Skin smoothing, color neutralizing, pore minimizing and illuminating. They also are coming out with some primers. I just want to show you guys the shade range again. Oh, I just hit myself. I will be doing a full-on video, but I gotta give it to Covergirl. I think they're the first drugstore brand to come out with this many shades, and I love it. I'm like seriously loving it. Okay, here's all the shades. They look awesome. I'm ready to do a wear test. And it doesn't tell you the price. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Stay tuned for a wear test. Thank you so much to Covergirl for that package. Even though it was beating me up. I'm just kidding. I'm very excited. You guys, normally I film at night and I'm filming like first thing in the morning when I wake up. So I have so much freaking energy. I need to do this more often. Next we have something that came from Loreal. It says, here's to 1 year of paradise-worthy lashes. Oh, so it's their 1 year anniversary for the Lash Paradise. I'm like, did they send me a Lash Paradise? It says 1 sells every 5 seconds. That's crazy. Oh, they did. And it has like little sparkles on it. Look at that. Look at those little sparkles. Thank you so much, L'Oreal, and congratulations on 1 year of Lash Paradise. So next I have the Allure Beauty Box, and I think they actually sent over 2. I think one was supposed to be for me and one for my mom. So to take that to her tomorrow for, yeah, tomorrow's Mother's Day. This is Saturday. All right, so let's see what they put in here. So it says exclusive promo codes inside. So we got some discount codes. Ooh, they have some good stuff in here. Okay, so let's see what we have. So we have, it says Beauty Tool, and this is, oh, this is the L'Oreal Satin Stronghold Hairspray. We have the Saint Tropez One Night Only Gloss. This is like, I guess, for your body. For your body. The Kendra Dry Oil. And this is a control spray for hair. Lots of hair. The First Aid Beauty Primer and Moisturizer. We have the Melting Lip Powder. I'm not sure, the brand is CLE. And then we have these Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Oh my goodness, I love that. So thank you so much to Allure for that package. And last but not least, we have one from e.l.f. We have lots of affordable makeup this week, which I'm very excited about, especially if y'all want to see that video. So it says, festival season is in full swing, so to get you prepped for all the good times, we wanted to send you a little box of makeup must-haves. So the packaging's pretty, and what was I gonna say? Lavender. Oh, look how pretty. So we have some prismatic lip glosses. We have some chromatic eyeshadow. These look like really nice eyeshadow palettes. They feel pretty heavy too. And then we also have the Beauty Shield Antioxidant Daily Defense Makeup Spray. Does this have SPF? I don't know. It says it has vitamin E in it. So very excited to try these out. Thank you so much to e.l.f. Cosmetics. Thank you to you guys for watching this video and continuing to support this series on my channel. They are, so you have like the actual, oh, remember that shade that was like a really out? Yes. And I think they actually, that one's, I think the packaging, like, not the packaging, for this, for the Revlon sent this crazy, oh, okay, oh, come on. Oh, focus. Okay, oh, on the head. Okay, this video is gonna have a ton of stuff in the bloopers. I'm very, pop back up. I hope this is fun for you. No, what am I trying to say? I hope it's as fun for you as it is for me doing these videos, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.